Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to change aspect ratio in Photopea. In last tutorial, we have changed the color from blue to red. If you want to see how to make it, you can find the tutorial in this channel. Now I close the properties panel. If you want to change aspect ratio, we can go to the crop tool. And hold, we can find crop tool here. And then go to top option bar, we can change the aspect ratio, for example, 1 to 1, or we can change to 16 to 9. This is the landscape. If you want to change the portrait, we can click the arrows in between width and height. I click it to change in portrait. And then we can click and drag to change the crop size, and we can move the crop area. If we're happy with this, we can click the tick to confirm it, or we can press enter to crop into another aspect ratio. So this is how we can change aspect ratio in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.